Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Autobiography edition finished in black. This 2025 model comes with a 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 21-inch alloy wheels in the gloss black design. This Evoque features around 580 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing for larger luggage items as well as shopping and even pushchairs to fit in with no problem. There is also an automatic boot close button located up at the top. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the extended Windsor leather seats in Ebony with the matching Ebony interior. There are ISOFIX points located on these seats, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders. The backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent, which does contain 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the Ebony interior with some gloss black highlights to contrast on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Taking a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, the controls on the left are for the virtual cockpit and the hands-free options, and on the right for the cruise control and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit the driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial as well as map and media options. And speaking of maps, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation, with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the 3D and satellite imagery as well as the rear parking camera. The centre console has a nice wood varnish finish to it, which does have pockets for your phone, as well as 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Range Rover Evoque Autobiography edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.